Hi, welcome back on my Lego Build channel for the long time, and this video is very special because you can see the next Lego icons, and also this video is the first also for the long time because next videos will be regular every Friday, every Tuesday, and next weeks will be. And also sorry for my English because I didn't speak for 1 or 2 months, sorry, but you can see these Lego icons, Crocodile Locomotive, and in this video we will build this set, which is 18 plus set with 1271 pieces, but these videos, the videos for the speed build will be shorter because I want to show more Lego sets on this channel for months. For example, next to in my studio I also have this Lego Technic NASCAR Next Gen Chevrolet Camaro, and it will be next set after this. And also next to me there is the other 2 Lego Technic sets, and these sets will be on my channel will be on my channel maybe next month and after this set, and and yes, this intro will be longer because for a long time, but the Lego Technics Lego sets are expensive, but it was my problem in the past, but now it isn't my problem, and I want to show more sets for the month, more, so that let's say that the videos, speed build videos will be shorter. And I think that's all for this intro, and let's look on this set, and I will show you this set with intro. So it is Lego icons Crocodile Locomotive. The length of this set is 52 centimeters, and also you can see that you can add motors and battery box for this set. And I think that's all for the introduction. And also the new Lego leaks will be every Tuesday and every week. And I think that's all for the intro. You can give me like, you can write some comment to comments, and also you can give me subscribe because I don't know how many subscribers this channel has, but I think we will go to 250 subscribers, and it will be very nice. But that's all for this long intro, and let's start with it. Have fun. Bye.